know this. Here you go. What do you want to do? Can we talk for a minute, girl? Why? I want to know. I want to know. Test? Yes. Let's blow a little set. It's gonna get rid of stress.
Rock Legion.
Everything is beautiful. Yeah. Till my life stops and my body cold as an ice box. I got nice thoughts, cuz everything is beautiful. Till my life stops and my body cold as an ice box. I got nice thoughts, cuz everything is beautiful. So we back at the Kapana spot again over in Katutura, right? Yeah, over by Bix Car Wash. So we here after the club, man. We had a good night at the club. And everybody was a little, you know, still feeling the effect. So they said it's the best cure for a hangover, some Kapana. So we back again, you know what I'm saying? When this song came on, everybody in here was, oh, that's that shit. I ain't even know they really rock with this here, man. Especially when the hook drop, I want to see who gonna sing. Hey. Hey. What? They all know this. Here you go. What do you want to do? Can we talk for a minute, girl? Why? I want to know. I want to know. Can we talk? Ah, damn, it's our table more than everybody. I thought everybody. Hey, this that shit though, man.
I know that was on the whole time.
I don't know. I need to talk to him.
It's a boss for me, but it's charging.
I don't
Here at the Kapana spot. I'll show y'all a quick tour of that before I get up out of here.
They must be doing hair over here. Another tailor shop, bro.
Babalaas, back again. What's the word, man? How you feeling, man? Good. You always working hard. Every time I come in here, I see you working hard, man. Nah, no salsa, no Kapana today. Too much, man. Yeah. I'm just here to see the market today, you know. I'm gonna catch you later, though. I gotta go around, you know. I'll be back, though. All right. What is this? All of this is salsa right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't sell nothing else? What kind of drinks you got?
Energy drink, coke, everything.
You don't have no like juice or water?
Yeah, they say so.
Let me see. Please.
How much?
Give me a cold one too, way in the bottom. I'll take that water right there.
What else? Juice?
They the same price?
No.
How much for
Water
the
is
water?
15 and then juice is $20.
What kind of juice is it? Orange, mango?
There's this mango, this is orange.
Let me get the orange and the water. Not the mango, the orange. And the water, yeah. Pretty. Yeah, man. There's a lot of pretty women around here. How you feeling, man?
Everything over here, man. Ground nuts. Look like black eyed peas. I think there's rock salt, honey worms. How you doing? Lady funny, she over there lurking, making sure I'm still there. I can smell the spices. I think this the pepper they put on the Kapana right there. It's strong, man. Hey there, how you doing? Back again. I had to come just to get the market because I keep just coming for the Kapana. So
Okay.
now I'm getting the market, you know. Good to see you though. And I like how they keep a lot of this stuff covered up too. No salsa. And back this way is out of Kapana again. I ain't finna show y'all that again. That's basically the end of the market because everything on the right is the Kapana again. I see them cutting up the beef and cooking it on the end. Excuse me, excuse me. It ain't as busy as when we was here last time. But that's the market, man. Now I'm gonna see if I can ride around Soweto a little bit with the driver, check out the city or the township. That's it for now, man. Till next time.
I think these are normal people there. I'm sure he's just a hangwena.
What guy is this?
I don't know.
Looks like a ghost.
Ninga, no, I think it's a PM when I would
It's a
Maninga?
good film.
We back at Marua Mall. Shout out to bro, man. I met him out here hustling, driving. You know, he do the same hustle as me. And he showed me around Soweto a little bit. So I just want to show him some love for showing me love. He's an excellent driver, real hustler out here making his money. Anything you want to tell the people about Windhoek, Namibia, anything?
Show some love, man.
Yes,
We
sir.
out here. And
Say, come visit, come check it out.
Come check it out.
You gotta see it for yourself, man. I've been enjoying myself.
It's a beautiful city, though.
Facts. Till next time, man. See y'all in a minute. Peace.